So on this week's tip of the week, we want to go over the PlanMatic. So as far as the PlanMatic, you can use it on your sub base as long as it's a not densely compacted material. You can use it to get your base layer set. Works phenomenal for your bedding layer, and that's really what it was created for, as well as doing ball fields or even yards and getting things laser screeded to perfection. It's going to get everything within 3/16 of an inch, and it's very simple to set up. Whatever you put into your laser is really what it's going to output. As long as you get everything set in your laser, it's just a matter of zeroing out the PlanMatic and you're really up and running. It's not a huge or long process. The PlanMatic is really superior in its class as far as different equipment that's out on the market. It doesn't have the wheels on it, so you'll notice that it looks a little bit different than some of the other options. It allows you to kind of push through a pile rather than have the wheels and not be able to do that, which is a nice feature on it. As well as when you're screeding your bedding layer and you want perfection, you don't have to worry about the wheels making those marks or divots inside of your bedding layer. The other things about the PlanMatic is that you have 3D capabilities, which is a really cool option as well. If you're on job sites and you do have the 3D systems, you can work it with that. It also is going to allow you to run off of a string line and a curbing, so it has a trisonic option is what they call it, and that allows you to do that. So in some of your projects it might be really beneficial to run off a curb. And then lastly, it is going to be able to hook up to really any machine. It's just, you know, one hydraulic circuit and one electrical port and whatever laser you guys have. Super accurate. It's going to be a lot quicker. It's obviously going to be a benefit to you and your company. You're going to be able to retain guys a lot better. You're not going to have the turnover that you might before, just because you're getting them the right equipment, and they're not upset with you for sending them out with a 2x4 and some screed rails. Thanks again for watching this week's tip of the week. Make sure to go to our YouTube page, watch a lot of our other videos as well, and check us out on Instagram and Facebook.